Hi, this is John from Bear Bull Traders, and I want to discuss my best and worst trade for June 2021. As always, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, or hit the notification bell, we really appreciate that. I was one and done today on LEDS. This is a pre-market high break trade. I did not catch the volume at entry, but our vol was around 400%. I've been casually watching this stock lately as a possible longer-term trade, maybe a longer-term swing trade, and I'm very familiar with its daily movement. It often makes a big price move, but then gives much of that back during the day. And had a Bear Bull Traders member call this out in the chat room. So right before the market opened, somebody said that LEDS was making a move, that was popping up a bit toward its pre-market high. So I entered with a small size on the chance that this was the typical LEDS move, that it was in fact going to make a big move of the day and probably give it back later in the day, but maybe try to catch it now. I took an entry at 1947 on the break of the pre-market high. I did come close to a 1R stop out, and I waited to see if VWAP and R3 would hold, which they did. I'm not sure which one held the price, but it kind of looks like VWAP, but it could have been a combination of both. I took 50% partials at these prices. Most of these are just price pauses or where I felt weakness in the move. And currently I have a range order for either getting out at 2029 or 29.49. So that'd be way up here near 30. But it's a stock that could make a move like that if it gets some juice. And I don't want to get too greedy and hold for 30 or 29.90 something. I'll just take some off at 29.49 if it happens to get up there. But that was the best and worst for today. And drop a comment if you want to talk about these trades. And everyone have a great weekend. Thank you.